Hi guys, this is Jabari. Welcome back to my channel. As part of our Rameswaram journey, today we explore this hidden paradise, beginning with the strictly protected natural wonder Kurusadai Island, followed by the tranquility of Kunthukal Beach, the reverence of the Vivekananda Memorial Hall, and the vibrant life housed in the Marine Museum. Our journey begins in the heart of the Gulf of Mannar at the incredible Kurusadai Island. This island is one of the 21 uninhabited isles forming a part of the Gulf of Mannar Marine National Park, which holds the distinction of being a South Asia's first marine biosphere reserve. So, this is the only island which we can visit through boat, and our bad luck was during our visit the boat service was discontinued, so we couldn't visit the island. So we just spent some time near the Kunthukal Beach and visited the Vivekananda Memorial Hall and spent some time here in the peaceful beach and then returned back. So let me give some idea about this Kurusadai Island. This is often hailed as the biologist paradise, and the Tamil Nadu government opened the ecological wonderland to the public in 2002 to educate visitors about its incredibly rich biodiversity and promote tourism. The island is renowned for its unique coral reefs, diverse marine life. Its shallow, crystal clear waters house a staggering marine ecosystem boasting over 3,600 species of marine flora and fauna. And the place literally looks like you are visiting a foreign country because the water and the surrounding sands, it looks like similar to Maldives. And you can also witness underwater world with over 117 different species of spectacular coral reefs. As you observe the clear waters, you may spot red starfish, sea cucumbers, and dazzling array of real fish. And that island is a mix of environment also makes it a true paradise for bird watching enthusiasts, home to both resident and migratory species. And to protect this fragile environment, visiting Kurusadai Island is a controlled experience managed by the Tamil Nadu Forest Department. Your adventure starts at the Kunthukal Jetty area. The boat ride itself offers a breathtaking panoramic views. Guides accompany all trips, providing essential insights into the island's ecology, flora, and fauna. Boat trip follows strict safety guidelines, including the provision of life jackets and the limit of 20% per trip. Visitors generally spend about an hour on the island. It's important to remember that swimming and collecting any natural specimens such as shells or corals is strictly prohibited to preserve this sanctuary. So, moving from the island sanctuary back to the mainland, we arrive at Kunthukal Beach, located in the Kunthukal village of Pamban. So, this is the safety bridge they have constructed at the beach. You can just walk on those stones and get a peaceful view. And this beach is recognized as one of the best in Rameswaram for family and friends. This is a picture square and very less crowd. You can have a peaceful time here, guys, if you're visiting with the family. The beach is situated on the banks of Gulf of Mannar. It, its most striking feature are the crystal clear blue sea water and this shiny white shore. Critically, the sea waves here are gentle and silent, making Kunthukal a safe spot for swimming and relaxing for people of all ages. And the Kunthukal holds a profound historical significance tied directly to the return of one of India's most influential spiritual leaders. The beach name itself, Kunthukal, is derived from the Tamil phrase meaning kneeling down. This refers to the historical moment when Rajabhaskara Setupati knelt on his knees near the fishing village of Pamban to formally welcomed Swami Vivekananda upon his return to India. This leads us directly to our next stop, which stands immediately behind the beach, Swami Vivekananda Memorial Hall. This lofty building is painted in a bright orange with touches of white and topped with decorative domes. It is immediately noticeable to visitors driving towards Rameswaram on the tall Pamban Bridge. The memorial was built to celebrate the historic return of Swami Vivekananda to Rameswaram on January 26, 1897, following his transformative trip to the West. Swami Vivekananda, a Hindu guru and disciple of Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, is best remembered internationally for his famous speech at the 1893 Parliament of the World's Religious in Chicago, where he began with the renowned greetings, Sisters and Brothers of America. It was Rajabhaskara Setupati of Ramanand who supported Swamiji on this influential trip. This memorial stands on a 5-acre piece of land and was inaugurated on January 26, 2010, resulting a public-private participation effort. Inside the main hall, visitors can explore the life history of Swami Vivekananda depicted on a photo posters. Prime spots are occupied by life-sized golden sculpture of Swami Vivekananda and his patron Rajabhaskara Setupati. For those seeking quiet, a meditation hall is located on the lower floor. Swami Vivekananda, during his address at Rameswaram Temple, emphasized that religion exists in pure and sincere love, not merely in ceremony. He thought that true worship means seeing Shiva in the poor, the weak, and the diseased, and that serving God's children is the highest form of service. The memorial serves as a profound reminder of his message of purity, unselfishness, and good karma. And there is a minimal entry charges for this, around 10 bucks per person they charge. And once you complete the coastal tour, you can visit a marine museum formerly known as Marine Interpretations Come Museum Center, conveniently situated just near the Kunthukal Beach and the Vivekananda Memorial. This is a small museum is depicted to showcasing the incredible life found in the Gulf of Mannar Biosphere Reserve. The Gulf of Mannar is a thriving hub of biodiversity composed of 21 islands. The museums exhibit highlight of the vast diversity of marine species that call the reserve home. Visitors can see the display featuring coral, mammals, mangroves, and turtles. And the Gulf of Mannar specifically nurtures 5 species of sea turtles, 450 species of fish, and 14 species of dolphins, and 6 species of whales, alongside vast quantities of seaweed, seagrass, and corals. And a major attraction here is the exhibition of marine mammal skeletons, which provides a fascinating look at the hard parts of the whales and dolphins. And for families traveling with younger members, the Marine Museum also features a dedicated children park. And from the protected coral rich Kurusadai Island to the peaceful Kunthukal Beach, the inspiring Vivekananda Memorial, and finally the Educational Marine Museum, this corner of Rameswaram offers a unique blend of natural wonder, spiritual history, and ecological discovery. We hope this journey enhances your appreciation for this beautiful and significant part of Tamil Nadu.
ஒரு பாலம் உலகம் கவரும் பாலம் இரண்டு கரையை இணைக்கும் அதிசயம் பாலம் மூன்று பக்கம் கடல் நீரின் சிரிப்பு நான்கு காற்றில் அலைகளாடும் திருப்பம் ஐந்து படகுகள் அலை மேல் நடனம் ஆறு வானத்தில் பறக்கும் குருவிகள் கனவு ஏழு நிறங்கள் சூரியன் பொழியும் வண்ணம் எட்டு ஒளியில் பாம்பன் கண்ணோட்டம் தனம் ஒன்பது கீதம் ரயிலோசையின் தாளம் பத்து மனங்கள் மகிழ்வோடு பார்வை களிப்பு இணைப்பாதையில் சாலை ரயில் நட்பு கடல் தாலாட்டில் பயணம் வாழ்வின் நட்பு பாம்பன் பாலமே பேரழகே பேரொழியே கடலை தாண்டி கனவை சேர்க்கும் மேடை பாம்பன் பாலமே பேரின்பம் பேரன்பே நிலம் கடலோடு சங்கமம் செய்யும் வணக்கமே அலை அலை சேர்ந்து பாட்டு பாடும் நேரம் மீனவர்கள் குரலில் வாழ்க்கை ஓவியம் சூரியன் மறையும் பொற்கதிர் சீலை இரவின் நிலவோடு பாலமாகும் மாலை ஒரு உயிர் வாழும் பாலம் நீ எப்போதும் இரண்டு கண்களில் நினைவாய் நிலைத்திடும் பாம்பன் பாலமே பாடலானாய் இன்று காலம் தாண்டியும் தமிழின் கீதம் நீயே